If your concept of God is a bit fuzzy, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's clear things up together. Welcome to Theology 101. Today we're breaking down the fascinating doctrine of God. First up, monotheism, the belief that there's only one God. Deuteronomy 6:4 says, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one." Next, the Trinity, one God in three persons, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Think of it like 3-in-1 shampoo, but infinitely more divine. God's sovereignty means he's all-powerful and in control of everything. Omniscience, he knows everything about everything. Omnipresence, God is everywhere all the time. Holiness, God is morally perfect and separate from sin. Justice, he's righteous and fair. Love, he's loving and merciful. Immutability, God's nature never changes, ever. And the implications? Worship, trust, obedience, and fellowship. Recognize his greatness, depend on his sovereignty, follow his commands, and cultivate a personal relationship. That's God's nature and attributes in a nutshell. Stay curious, believers. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on theology and spirituality.